Making family memories with the Cricut Maker 3 by sharing my fall fire pit setup for my family time. This video is sponsored by Cricut. So let me share with you how easy it is to create your different projects with Cricut. This is the design space, and what I want to do, I want to go up here to new projects, and I am going to look right here for projects. What I'm going to design is a mug. Okay, I'm doing a mug for the fall. So I'm typing in mugs, and you have a wide selection. Okay, a very wide selection. Different designs, different styles. But I'm going to go over here to this one. And with this one, it has a small mug, which is 12 ounces, or a large mug, which is 15 ounces. Now, the mugs that I have, they are 12 ounces. So it's the small one. So what am I going to design today? I'm going to design some cloth napkins and some mugs. What I want to select, a fall pumpkin. So I'm typing in the word pumpkin, and let's see what it pulls up. And here's the selection of the different pumpkins. I think they're so cute. You have a lot to choose from. So I think I have made my choice. I am going to go with this pumpkin here. I think it is super cute. I love the stem of the pumpkin as well. So we're going to go with that. I think I'm going to do 6 cloth napkins. So I'm going to duplicate this 5 more times, okay? By pressing that duplicate button. And then I'm going to spread it out on the design here. One more. So we should be good. Now, to make it look uniform, I will be putting the same pumpkin on the napkins as well as the mugs. Now, I may go a little bit larger on the mugs. Now that the selection has been made and all the sizing has been done, we're going to go up here to this green button here and make it. And it takes you to prepare the mat, and we need to mirror the design. Just flips the design. We're going with a basic cut, and for this project we were only going to do 1 at this time. So we will press continue. So at this point, it is connecting to the Cricut Maker 3. So we need to select the material that we are using, and we're using iron-on. Then it takes you to the basic steps, the basic material set on everyday iron-on. The pressure of this You can do a little bit more, a little bit less, or default. I'm just going to do a little bit more. I want to make sure it is cut. And it tells you, and load the mat and press load. So we are good to go with the computer. Now with the Cricut Maker 3, you can see that light flashing. It's ready for me to load my vinyl. And as you can see, it is cutting the project. It is super easy. It takes you step by step of what you need to do. Now to make life a little easier with this weeding step, I have this Brightpad Go. You can see the littlest details with this pad. This pad is so bright, and it really did come in handy. Now here's my husband. I put him to work doing all of the weeding of the pumpkins, and they are absolutely adorable to me. So I have folded my napkins like I want them, so I'm going to run the heat press over them before applying my pumpkin, my vinyl to it. Here is my pumpkin, and I'm just going to eyeball it and place it on my napkin. And then I will apply the heat press, adding just a little bit of pressure. And there is one. 5 more to go. I think that is just adorable. So now I'm going to start on my mugs. I have the Cricut mugs and the infusible ink. This is a 12-ounce mug. I'm prepping the mug by using some alcohol and a cotton pad to cleanse the outer portion of the mug to make sure there's no debris, no lint or anything on the mug. Here's the infusible ink. By using this, it makes the mug dishwasher safe, and I love that. Now to make sure the ink don't move around on the mug in the heating process, I use that tape. Here's the mug press, and I have the infusible ink taped on the mug. I'm placing the mug inside the mug press, and this process takes about 10 minutes per mug. Now when you remove this mug, you need to set it aside until it cools. Do not attempt to take the paper off or the ink paper off because it is extremely hot. And this is how my mugs look. They look amazing. And I'm so excited, and I'm just dreaming of other projects that I can do. Now here is my setup of my fire pit for the s'mores and to spend time with my family. Using this beautiful animal print. Love the mugs, love the napkins. I tied it in with some plates that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Everything looks amazing, and I tell you, my family enjoyed this setup. We sat out there on my back patio for hours, just eating s'mores, talking, laughing, and having fun. And that's what it's all about. I made hot chocolate in the mugs and put some whipped cream in it with drizzled some caramel in it. Had to do that a couple of times, y'all, because it's hot here in Florida. But the hot chocolate was delicious. The s'mores were delicious. The family time and the family moments, you know, that's priceless. We really love this time of year. So what are some ways are you planning to spend some quality time with your family? And what are some ways you are planning to create those moments? Let me know down in the comments section below. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of this blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Be safe out there, and I will talk to you real soon.